Hello everyone. In this project, we're gonna do temperature conversions. So we're gonna convert between three kind of the temperatures: Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. Okay, so we're gonna go create project. Excuse me. And if we go to Google temperature conversions, you're gonna find in this website the formula that we're using. Celsius is for Joule to Fahrenheit, Kelvin to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius, and etc. We're gonna use this formula to convert this one. So I'm gonna create. First of all, I'm gonna go to add three labels. I can go drag and drop, or double click, or I can right click here and copy, then paste, or Control C, Control V. So I have three labels now. Then I'm gonna add three text box. One here, then Control C, Control V, Control V. I have a 2, 3, and then I have buttons. I'm gonna create button 1, Control C, Control V, Control V. I have a 3 button here. Okay, so now I put the temperature here, should be convert. So this one will be convert. Convert button. So in the name, I'm gonna do called BTN convert. BTN Fahrenheit convert. Okay, so this is the name. So here I'm gonna create Fahrenheit. I'm gonna click here, Fahrenheit. Sure. Fahrenheit. I'm gonna click again. I'm gonna change maybe the size and the color, make it more little bit. So the size will be maybe 14 or 12, and the color I'm gonna create 4 color. Click this one. I'm gonna go with hot track. This one. This would be great. So Fahrenheit. Now temperature with temperature here. Click convert would be changing to other. The other two here, and this one will be called the Celsius. So this is, and I'm gonna go with the color. A font. I'm gonna do 12 the same. The other one, and the color we can do for color. Here we go for color. Hot track again. Then this one Kelvin or Kelvin. Again. And I'm gonna go with the color again. Hot track and the size 12, maybe. Oops. I think the 12, right? Okay. Now the temperature here, the city. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and click and put the temperature here. Should be convert to the others. Okay. So I'm gonna create convert here, but this is Celsius. Okay, so it will be convert, and we are actually I'm gonna force also the name will be BTN convert or Celsius convert. Okay, and the other one will be convert here, BTN Kelvin convert. Okay, so let us go with this one. So BTN Fahrenheit convert. Okay, so far if we run the application, nothing happened. Just we have text file. here 3 text file, whatever you do here, nothing. It's convert, nothing. Oh, I forgot to click this one, convert. I name this one convert. Okay, now I double click here. So now I want to do so we have a float. The float is kind of, we have any decimal numbers could be double or float, but the float is like a little bit size f, and we have a zeros. Okay, we have a float f0. Okay, so this variable f will read the data in that text box one. Actually, I'm gonna go text box one. I'm gonna name this one to the text one Fahrenheit. HR, right? And this same things, text T Celsius. And the third one does make sense, you know, txt underscore Kelvin. Now go back here. Now I want to go read the data from this one. So I need things txt Fahrenheit dot text. I have an error. What the error here? C cannot implicitly convert type string to float. So we need the to float here dot parse. Then we need to convert this number, you know. Okay, so we convert this one. Okay, now excuse me, I have another number, float Celsius equal to 0, and I have also float Kelvin equal to 0. Okay, now I need to convert now this number, so C will be equal 5 based in this equations, so Fahrenheit to Celsius, I'm gonna convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. See, this one will be 5 or 9. I have this one. Okay, so I have a 5 f. Why f? Because this float number, you need to do f. You can do like over 9, but we can have some error. So to avoid that, 5 9 f multiply f, this number, whatever number here, minus 32. Okay, so this Celsius, so text box Celsius will dot text will equal to C dot toString. Okay, so that's same things with the Kelvin. We need to change the Kelvin as well. K will equal, let us see, Kelvin Fahrenheit to Kelvin. This one will be Fahrenheit to Kelvin will be this equation. Okay, so actually Celsius to Kelvin. So I'm gonna convert either. I cannot do this one actually, no problem. So I'm gonna copy this one. So it seems like close to this one, but plus 273. So I'm gonna create it here. So I'm gonna copy the rules. So K will be 5 F divided 9 F times F minus 32 plus, oops, 273. Okay, 273, and text Kelvin dot text will equal to K dot toString. All right, let us try this one now. I have an error. Let me see, where's the error? Okay, so I have to do close like this. Maybe there. Oops. Have this one with this one. So 5 over 9 F why you have a row over here, so 5/9. Okay, and operators and left and right, so method name expected should so let me see, kelvins float 5/9. Actually, name method expected show potential. So let us do this 5/9, 5F/9F times this one. Okay, let's try now. So if I have a 111, convert this ones. If I have a 234, convert. So again, I can also specify only two number after digits. So I do like a hash dot 00, and same here, or bound or hash dot 00. So we need two number after zeros. Let me see now how it's work. So 345. Here we go. Okay. Now we need. But what if I have a mistakenly 123, then I have an A mistakenly. Oops, what happened? So the system's error. System here is crashing. System is crashing. So we need to fix that. How we fix that? We can add this operation. We can add this operation with the try. We have something called try and tab. Two times tab. You have a try catch exceptions. Okay. So I'm gonna do this operations. Okay, this operation inside here. So if this will be, try this one. If I have any problem, do message box dot show, please enter only numbers. Okay, so and semicolon here. Let me try now. So if I did 123E, please enter numbers. Oh, but still giving me numbers here. So if this one enter number, so I'm gonna put all those guys inside the catch here actually. So I make sure there's no operations. 123 E. There we go. Nothing here. Okay. So this is the first one. I need to do something else here. I want to do something else. Let me see. Okay, so let us go to the one more time. Close. Okay. So sometimes the system stuck. Credential form here. One sec. So the try catch here allow you, if the input is correct, don't make if the input correct, run the system. If not correct, don't broke the software, don't crash the software. Just a catch. You do whatever you want here. You want a message, you want to do update, you want to do whatever, So this is to avoid systems crashing. Okay. Something else here. If I click here, in the text box, then see this one, events. In the events, I'm gonna click in the events, then text change, double click and text change, double click in the text change. Okay, so this is creating event. We call event. See event, and the event will be happen when the Fahrenheit text box something change. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna copy all this one. Okay, Control X, nothing here. I'm gonna put it in this one. Okay, so I'm gonna create run, and we see. So click here doesn't work anymore. It doesn't work anymore. Nothing here. Okay, but if I do here 1 2 3, it immediately show you. Meaning any change here will be changing the other things. Okay, other things. So you can create a event with the buttons, or you create these things with the button. Okay, Now I'm gonna leave for you creating the other conversions as a homework. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day.